So now that you have learned how to use left trim, length and right function to dissect a text, let's see how we can pick characters from the middle of the text using mid function. And for that we are going to use invoice number column in our data sheet as an example. So let's see what is the problem with this form of invoice number. Here we have I and V dash 3 digits, and then in some cells there are 4 digits. Let's see if I sort this particular range, which is in correct order at the moment, and if I sort this, what happens? It's going to ask me expand the selection. No, thank you. I'm going to continue sorting, and here we see it is 1, 2, 10, 100 and then goes to 1000, 1100, 1200 and comes back to 135 and 250. That is because it is considering these cells, or in fact the content of these cells, as text and hence sorting in this manner. So how do we convert this into pure numbers? By using mid function. Let's have a look. Let's click on the cell where we want to enter the formula, then click on FX, and we are going to use mid function. However, in case you do not know which function to use, we are going to search for it in the search window by typing what we want to do. Select characters from text and hit go, and it's going to present various options. The first one is text, which converts a value to text. We do not want that. And the second one is mid, returns the characters from the middle of a string, and this is what we need. We click OK, and there are 3 parameters to this function. One is the text. The second is the start number, which means at what position inside this text you want to start picking the characters. And the third parameter is the number of characters, how many characters from that position you want to pick. Let me close this for the time being and examine our cells. Here, the first 4 characters we want to ignore, which is I and V and dash, and we want to start picking characters from the 5th position. However, in some cells there are 3 characters to be picked, and in some there are 4. So this once again presents us a challenge, and we know how to overcome this by using the length function. So we will use the length function, delete the 4 characters which we don't want to pick. So length minus 4 will give us the number of characters to be picked. So let's use mid function. We're going to click here, click on FX, use the mid function. The text is this, starting position is 5, and number of characters is going to be our formula, which is len open bracket, this cell, close bracket, minus 4, and we click OK. And there you go. We are going to drag this down. It has given us what is required in terms of invoice number. However, our task is not yet complete. If you see, these numbers are appearing to be numbers but actually are still being considered as text by Excel. There is a glaring indicator that these numbers are written as 001, 00 and 010. Let's write 001 here, 001, and I hit enter. Excel automatically deletes the preceding zeros and treats it as number 1. Whereas it is not the case in these cells. So how do we convert a text which appears like a number into real number? For that we are going to use a function called value. So let me click on FX and select value as the function, and there is only one parameter. Basically it converts the text which is here into a number. Here you see the results. This is the text which is 001 and the result is just 1. I'm going to click OK and double click here to get the final results. With this we convert invoice number in this form to pure number form using mid and value function. With that we complete our exercise of the 3 points check before starting to create a pivot table. In the next session we will start creating the pivot table.